How to create background art in Squarespace. So in order to create the background art in this latest version of Squarespace with the 7.1, you just need to head over and open the Squarespace editor. Now make sure to edit the section in order to open it, and under you just need to head over and then click on the background tab. For example, let's just insert this section. Click onto this edit section that will appear. Click onto this background, and in here you can click onto this art option. Now, once you have selected the art right here, they will be selected and you can actually choose in here the art that you wish to incorporate to your background. For example, in this case, let's choose in here this one. And as you can see, the art has now been added. You can choose from the selection right here. We have a lot of options. However, do take note that background art will only appear in browsers that support WebGL. And if your browser doesn't support that, then even though you added the art right here, they will not be visible onto your actual browser. So just choose here which art you wish to utilize onto this part. And after you have done that, you can head over and click on the save option in order to save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.